Hey guys, welcome back to this Mr. YouTube channel. Today we are working on 2012 Audi Q5, and we have to replace a taillight bulb in the rear of this car. So you will get one of these dumb lights. It'll pop up on the dash, and most people will freak out and they will think that it means their entire rear taillight assembly. But that's not how it works. There's a little incandescent bulb. Here's your reverse bulb. Your incandescent bulb is right here, and that's your running light bulb. So that's what's out. That's what needs to be replaced. Just go down to the back of your car, get a plastic kind of trim tool, and then you can just pop out this little cover. Well, it's supposed to hang on there, but it's past it. And then you'll have this little kind of indent. And you see this indent is showing you see that red circle right up in there? That is a Phillips head. So you'll take a long number 2 Phillips, you will put it up in here, get to it, you will unscrew it, and then once it's unscrewed, we will pop this out and replace that bulb. It is a captured bolt screw, so it will not come out. Now this is loose, just give it a little jiggle. You don't even really have to remove this entire thing. We're just going to replace the single bulb that is out, which happens to be this one over here on the end. They just kind of quarter turn and they come right out. Now, you probably won't be able to see it, but since this is an incandescent bulb, it'll have 2 wires that come up and then a wire that runs from each side to each side. Well, it's clearly blown out of there, and this is all we have to replace. This bulb just pulls straight out. These are just standard 194 bulbs. These are super expensive if you buy them in the store, unfortunately. I thought I had some, but no. Buy these off Amazon, they're usually like $5-6. Still get a good brand like Sylvania. But yeah, at a parts store, this was almost $12 for these 2 light bulbs, which is just crazy, just absolutely crazy. Let's go ahead and throw this bulb in. Remember, it's just a nice twist lock. We're just gonna set it back in place for now. Lit up down here, so we're good to go, all fixed. Usually I'm the type of person to say do this on both sides, but I'm just not going to do that. I think this bulb will be fine. I'm pretty sure I replaced that other side a little while ago. So as simple as it was to put in, now you just do the reverse. Just like that, it's all done. Hopefully this was a nice quick video to get you guys back out on the road. If this video helped you guys at all, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Smith's Euro. And if you are local in the DMV, Maryland area, go ahead and the link will be in the description. If you need some work done on your car, Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, just let me know, send me an email, and I'll get it in the shop as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of our other videos.